So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Moo Deng Coin on the Kraken application. So once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom, press on Explore, then go to the top here and just type in Moo Deng. So at the top here it says Moo Deng, press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom, press on Buy Moo Deng, and type the amount of Moo Deng you're wanting to buy. So I'll just do $20 for this demonstration. If you want to proceed, go to the right, press on the purple arrow. Then before reviewing the transaction, you can go ahead and check the amount of Moo Deng coin you're buying, the price, the fee, the total, and if all looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on confirm, and then follow the next steps. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Moo Deng coin on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.